Hello. I want to give everybody a very sweet welcome to my new channel, and today I will be teaching you how to remove a solid background of an image, logo or photo quickly and easy. So let's start. First of all, we will open our Adobe Photoshop and we will create a new file. As soon as we get the new file, we will open our picture to edit. We will go right there in File, open it. My picture is right here in the sample one. Once we have it there, we will go to our tools. They are right there. And we will choose the eraser tool. We will click right on it and we will choose the magic eraser tool. That is going to be our hero. So before we get started, we will adjust the tolerance right here to 25. We will adjust the opacity to 100 and we will click on it, anti-alias. Now we are ready to point our magic eraser in a part of our background. We will click left on it. And ta-da! That's all. Our background is gone. This technique is going to work in any color background if it is solid color. I mean just yellow or white or red, black, doesn't matter. After we have our pic without the background, the most important step is how are we going to save our file. We will go to File again and then we will export our file, export as. And now our picture is still with the background, so we will go here to format and we will change it to PNG. Now it's perfect, it's going to be saved without the background. We will export all. We will save and that's it. Our picture is saved. I would like to check if this is correct, so I will open a new Keynote and I will go here. Here is the one that I had it before, and this is the new one. Like you can see, it's already without the background. So I hope that video can help you. If you like it, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.